So task number A 9.2.9, remove the anchor lashing, repair the anchor. So this is how the windlass and winch look like. Okay, so this is the arrangement of the windlass anchor. So normally it's depend upon ship size. This will be your anchor lashing. Okay, so this will be your anchor lashing, the primary anchor lashing, and secondary anchor lashing will be this. Okay, so not compulsory all vessels has two arrangement for the anchor lashing. Our vessel and most of the vessels, bigger vessel, has primary and secondary means of anchor lashing, extra lashings this is talking about. Okay, so when if the captain or chief officer has told you, okay, go and prepare the anchor for the anchor station or let go anchor, so what you will do? First you will remove the anchor lashings. Okay, the anchor lashing, you have to open the turnbuckle. This is the turnbuckle. You have to open the turnbuckle, you have to remove the shackle, and your anchor lashings will be removed by removing the wire. Okay, the second is you have to put the bow stopper. So this is the bow stopper or the chain stopper, you can say. It is also having pin. Okay, so this is the safety pin we are talking about. Okay, so we have to remove this safety pin and pull the bow stopper up. Okay, so that chain will go. This is for the preparations, but before doing this we have to put the anchor on the gear. How we will put the anchor on the gear? Come. So this is the lever, okay, engage lever, and this is the gear. So what we will do, we will use the hydraulic power and engage the anchor on the gear. Why we are engaging the anchor on the gear before picking up the bow stopper? Because sometimes, you know, if the brake is not tight and if your bow stopper if the anchor chain slips from the bow stopper, there might be an accident. Okay, so first we engage the anchor on the gear and then we remove the bow stopper. That is the best practice. After that you try out your winches. If it is working properly, okay, you can remove your bow stopper. So in this way we are doing the preparations for the anchor arrival preparations. Thank you.